this week it was potato harvest week. We did not finish potato harvest week. I mean the harvest, but did a little bit and have a lot left to do. Maybe we completed 9 rows. Anna?
Yes.
9 rows, and there are about 25 left.
No, 24.
24. Okay. And
we have
we have
a puppy.
a puppy. Okay, gotta show you the puppy. Here is the most perfect, adorable puppy. And you can't see her face. She's cute.
I know her up.
No, let her be, let her be.
No, she woke up.
So this is Sophia. She is a German Shepherd, and we got her for the purpose of breeding. So breeding. She's gonna have babies for us when she gets big. And yeah, so she's the first of our breeding dogs, which eventually we hope to have some more dogs. First of our farm animals for business purposes, but she'll also be part of our family.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anish Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness. Blow the candle. Yay!
Today is Dada's birthday.
Why put it in this time?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He doesn't like to tell anyone, so we have very quiet family birthdays. And here's the cake.
Wow, tractor!
Guys,
Tractor. We were very blessed to have Bharat also come visit us from Shishia. Say hello, Bharat.
It was really nice here. I loved it. It was nice to see you guys once again.
He's on his way to Nepal, so he came and visited us, and it was so nice. Have potatoes. Anish and the kids went and dug up 3 rows of potatoes. So we have lots more to dig up. And there they are. Oh, they are beautiful. Wow, nice big. Look at this one. Yeah. Nice potatoes. New potatoes are just the best. Excellent. We already took out some of these. It's potato harvesting time. So we are doing harvesting slowly. And the kids have been coming out to help. Show Naomi how many we got.
So much.
This is for about 3 rows. member of our family. Hello, it's a baby German Shepherd.